In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HTML signature on Outlook Web. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results to open Outlook on the web. Once you're in your mailbox, we'll prepare the HTML you want to use for your signature. Before changing any settings, make sure you have your signature's HTML code ready. You might have created it in a code editor or generated it with an AI tool. Copy that HTML to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Now switch back to your Outlook tab. Look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. From there, select the Account section, then choose Signatures. In the Signatures area, click Add Signature to create a new one. Give your signature a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple versions for different use cases. Next, we'll place the HTML directly into the signature editor using your browser's built-in developer tools. Right-click anywhere in the signature editor and choose Inspect. This opens the Developer Tools panel. Click the element picker icon, usually at the top left of the panel, then click inside the signature editing area so the correct section of the page is highlighted in the code view. In the code view, right-click the highlighted element that represents the signature's content and select Edit as HTML. You'll see the editor's current HTML. Remove everything inside that element to clear out any default formatting. With the field empty, paste the HTML you copied earlier. Keep an eye on the structure. Clean, well-formed HTML with inline styles usually renders best in email clients. Avoid scripts or external CSS and use fully qualified HTTPS image links for logos or icons. When you've pasted your code, close the temporary edit box in the developer tools if needed, and return your focus to Outlook. Click Save to store your new signature. That's it. Your HTML signature is now part of your Outlook web settings. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your design simple and mobile-friendly. Use tables for layout if you need precise alignment, and stick to web-safe fonts or provide fallbacks. Compress and host images securely so they load quickly. If anything looks off, minor adjustments to spacing or inline styles usually fix rendering quirks across different email clients. You've just created and saved a professional HTML signature in Outlook on the web using the built-in tools. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your polished new email sign-off.